Today I'm gonna show you how to run Dataproc serverless job using Apache Scala, basically using SBT and a batch job, basically creating the jar file and run it in the serverless job. So basically, first of all, what I'm going to do is create a VM instance so that everyone will have like a same environment when you guys try at home. So let's start creating a VM. I'm just gonna give a with general, nothing big, guys. So I'm gonna select standard, and then I'm gonna change here to Ubuntu, so that if you want to try out on home, won't be an issue. And let's get 50 gig, and then that's time, and default service account, access to everything, fine. That's all, guys. Let's launch the VM. Okay, it will take a couple of seconds to VM to launch. Let's refresh and see. Yeah, our VM is out, guys. So all the installation stuff is basically to SBT is available here. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to share the link and the file and everything with the each how to install each code to install Java 8 SDK, and then all this stuff, everything I'm gonna share with you guys in the GitLab in the description section, so don't worry about it. So let's start installing all those packages. So let's connect using SSH. This will take a couple of seconds, guys, just to connect it to SSH. Okay, now I'm just going to do a general update, sudo apt-get update to VM to get updated, and then I'm going to install the Java. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to share each command with you guys. It should take a couple of seconds, guys, just to set it up everything. Okay, it's done. Let's check any other Java update. So just to be sure, guys, everything done. So I'm gonna start installing the SBT stuff. It's just bunch of command, guys. I'm not gonna explain any of them because, guys, I just wanted to empathize on not installing on the running the serverless job, not the installation of SBT. So that's done. Let's see whether everything is done, just to see, get updated, if anything finalize. Okay, now let's wait a second. Let's check SBT version. We got Scala 2.1 to 18 version, so everything SBT version is 1.9.2, so everything is good, guys. These commands are generally available from the SBT website. All of these commands, that's one that I just ran, but don't worry, guys, I'm going to share everything. So next stage is to connect and start creating the SBT build. So I'm going to use my Visual Studio to make the connection. Okay, I'm gonna take my VM, and then connect to my VM, guys. So let connect to the VM. So let's get everything set it up. Okay, guys, so now I took everything set up, done, and I'm just gonna connect. Okay, continue. So I have connected, so let's open the folder. So okay, I'm gonna say, and that should be, I'm gonna say trust, and this is just connecting to the VS code using you can use the command line as well, but it's easier to run it this way, so that's why I created I'm gonna create a new terminal also to here, and then I'm gonna create a new folder called project lscd project. So you can create using the command prompt as well. I just wanted to do it faster. Okay, now I'm going to create a two-fold spt build file. So I'm going to say touch build spt. So okay, sorry, touch build.spt. so it will create a file. If you refresh it here, spt is done. So I'm going to open that file. So I'm going to, guys, show all this spt commands which I'm going to type. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put everything. So these are the command that I'm going to create. It runs so version and a name, just you can give any name, organization, and this is that dependency we needed to like run a job. So the job, basically what I'm going to do, take a file from Google BigQuery storage and transfer that to Google BigQuery. Let's start. I'm gonna copy all this into the my spt build file. Okay, and then save it. I just save time. I don't want to type it here, guys, with you guys. I wanted to make a video short so that you will not waste time on watching, and don't worry, I will upload all the code and everything. So now I'm gonna do run. I save it. I'm gonna run spt, so it will create the all the file, spt build file. It's just getting the information. So if you go here now, can you see, guys, in the project the all the target project file is created from sp. Well, now I'm gonna move out of from control C, shutting down the server. Now I'm gonna do is creating folders mkdir -p src -main -scala. Okay, I'm going to create one for, even though we don't use it here, for tests as well, because when you work in an organization you will have a test version as well as the what do you call real versions work file as well. Okay, now you have two folders. I'm gonna do src main -scala. So I'm gonna go there. So and then I'm gonna create a Scala file again. I'm gonna create main.scala. Okay, now if you refresh it here, and there should be a Scala file. I'm gonna open everything. So let's start with guys creating a small demonstration first. So this is the stage 1 state 1 code, guys. So this one you can run it in your normal terminal. What I do, I just create the data frame. I just put a hello world as well, just to show that the code and code running process, and I just create a small data frame schema and then create a data frame. So in order to run this code, I just copy paste this code, copy and enter into the main Scala file and then save it. I'm just copying paste because to save the time. So I'm going to go back again to the project folder, ls cd. I'm in the project, so now I'm start spt. So I'm gonna build file again because I update the every time you update you need to run spt. And now I'm gonna compile. So it's gonna can take a bit of time to compile, finish the compile. Okay, this is the first time when you do the compiling part, it will take time because you need to download all the libraries and everything. And then I'm gonna do run main, and then is our packages called .com example and main. So that's the command you need to type here. You can give any name here. If you put something, let's say world or whatever, then .com com.world main is our object. So if you press run, so it will start running. Can you see that everything run perfectly? Hello world, and then you will see a data frame created here. So that's done. Now I'm gonna again Control C just to stop it, and then I'm gonna get the BigQuery versions of it. So if you look at it, let me make it bigger, guys. So here the same code okay, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna open the BigQuery versions. Here, guys, the same thing. I have I have the small data frame as it is, but what I do additionally, apart from that, I'm reading a file from Google BigQuery, and then reading a file from Google Cloud Storage, and then upload it to my Google BigQuery. So first of all, now again I need to save the copy the whole code. I'm going to replace everything in Scala, main Scala file, and then save it. Okay, and then again we need to run spt. I am copy pasting the code, guys, to save time. And then I'm going to run compile again. Every time you update you need to exit spt and then back again and then compile, and then I'm going to run again the same. There will be errors, guys, because these are, we can't in our cloud storage VM machine does not have access to Google BigQuery and everything. So, and we are trying to run this job on Dataproc, so that's why we are getting an error, because we are not trying to run job in here. But don't worry, the rest is working like you said, you can see it here. So what you can do is, now you need to download your jar file. It is available here, guys, in your target section, Scala, the version, and this is the file you are going to look at it. you just need to download it at I'm gonna give a name, BigQuery YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna save that file. Now Scala SBT compile part is done. We have our jar file. So now we need to go to first I'm going to show the BigQuery table. So this is the table. So I just did it run earlier before. There's a data. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop all this data using truncate table. So everything removed, and if I run this code again, let me remove the limit. That's fine, it's a small table. Okay, there's no data. And then I'm gonna go to Spark. Before Spark, I need to go to a cloud storage bucket and upload my jar file that created, upload to a cloud storage bucket. Any bucket in the same region would be good. And then take the path to the bucket file, and then go to your Dataproc, and then go to the batch, and then create a new job, and make sure you select the correct version. If you can remember, our Scala version is 2.1.2. You select the main one, and then the jar file is coming to here. You copy paste the path to the jar file from cloud storage to here, and then the class, main class, that is the same command we run, the com.example main. You don't need to put run main here, only that part, and that's it, guys. So that's all. I'm going to keep everything as default, and I'm using the default computer service account as well. Let's submit the job. So it's going to take about a minute to run, guys. Meantime, I'll wait till with you guys and showing any results. I might fast forward a bit as well when I'm uploading this video. So still pending. Let's wait for the results. Again, I wanted to show you guys that BigQuery, there's no data. Then okay, our batch shop's going to start in a couple of seconds. Okay, guys, now we got the first output. It's just showing the hello world part, and then that is part of our code. You can remove them. I just add here so that we have like visualizations, and this is the data frame creations, the normal one. Now it is going to start uploading the file to Google BigQuery. Still running. Here is going to start the BigQuery client. You can see from the log. Still running the job. Our job got success, guys. Now let's check whether the data is in Google BigQuery. Yes, guys, everything in Google BigQuery, guys. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to delete your, if you create a VM, just delete the VM. And that's all, guys. How to submit a serverless batch job using Scala SBT packages. Thank you, guys, for watching.